warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhan bin AZHAR and my team member BADRI, AHMAD FIRDAUS and AMIRUL HAKIM. Okay, I would like to present about our system meeting room reservation. Okay, for the abstract for system, a content management system (CMS) is a piece of software that enable posting, editing, and maintaining information from a single interface. The term web content management system (CMS) refer to a web application that create, edit, and store HTML content in a controllable manner using a database, often MySQL or other techniques. Without a list of needs that are crystal clear, you risk being drawn in by busy features that you will never use. Okay, for the introduction, meeting room reservation system is a system that allow user to book a room through an online system. Currently, many officer or companies still use manually reservation, such as booking through WhatsApp, call, and corporating email and face-to-face. On the front end, the user-facing and a staff member need to be on hand to answer the phone, take booking, answer question, reply to email and phone message, and return call. Beside that, this will reduce duplicate of the reservation and more secure without using the detail. This system operate 24 uh, 24 7 and unlimited. Also allow user to have the choice of booking when and where they want. Okay, furthermore, user no longer need to bother going to see the user in charge to make walk-in reservation, because now all booking at your fingertip no matter where you are. Okay, for the objective of the project, first, the project goal to create a web application that operate during office hour, which are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. to make the process of booking a room easy. Second, a good system for booking room will automatically identify available space and disallow user from reserving them that already have meeting. Lastly, the bulk of office productivity related problems, such as having to find a vacant room or eliminated by this proactive strategy of detection and prevention. Okay, for the scope or limitation of the project, firstly, unable to determine the proper syntax for coding without the lecturer and is one of this project limitation. Additionally, an internet connection is required to operate or a web application. The internet is still unavailable in a large portion of the world. Second, without a dependable internet connection, the user cannot use the web browser or operate the web application. Lastly, a web browser is directly linked to this web app. This size of the app does tend to increase our application performance is impacted by this. Large online app are significantly slower to run than native desktop apps. Okay, next is milestone and Gantt chart. Okay, for the planning timeline is concept definition, information gathering, design analysis, content development, implementation, final review, final submission. Okay, for the week 1 and week 2 is concept definition. Week 3 is information gathering. Week 4 is design analysis. Week 4 and week 5. Uh, Week 4, 5, and 6, design analysis. Week 6, 7, and 8, content development. Uh, then week 8, 9, 10 is implementation. Final review is week 11, 12, 13, and 14. Lastly is final submission is week 14. Okay, this is my chart for the project. You can show the uh, date and duration, start and finish. Start at Monday, 3 uh, 3 April 2023, and lastly finish final submission is 14 July 2023. Okay, this is estimated budget and cost. Firstly, uh, Lenovo laptop uh, estimate cost is 2,000 per unit. Second, XAMPP Server MySQL HP Apache. This is no charge. This is free um, free application. Okay, third is Notepad++. This is same, no charge and free. Four is operating system Windows 10. Uh, the estimate cost is 399. Okay, lastly, web browser, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. This is same for the Notepad and XAMPP, no charge and free. So total for the estimate budget developed for the system is 2,399.99 only. Okay, for the hardware and software, firstly, uh, monitor. So, monitor show the information that received on the monitor screen. Second is mouse. Mouse is uh, to point and select the information. Three is system unit to support the fully use of computer. Four, photocopy to copy the report and plot information to user. Five is printer. Printer to print the report and record that received from your system. Computer, six is computer used by user to view, sign out, login, and also to respond the system. Seven is Microsoft Office uh, to retype the report and record received for further use the design and control the database system. Eight, portable document file PDF. This is a convert print document into electronic mesh. Lastly is search engine, which is Google Chrome, to help developer in gaining information and others. Second, to help user link with the system to operate it successfully. Okay, I will pass to my team member, Amirul.
Hello,
Yeah, hello, okay.
Assalamualaikum. This is the flow chart for overall system. We have start, register, login, entering system, user, reservation, room. The user and room can be edited and saved to the database. And then the process will be end. Next. This is the flowchart login. We have start, enter username and password. If cannot, you will go back to the enter username password. And if can true, we will go to the user interface. And then next. Over here we have the lane. If the information will have been verified, if true, the detail will be saved in the database. If false, the detail the user have to re-enter all the relevant information. Next. Okay, here is the flow chart for edit content. From start, we have process. Process will be divided by two. That is the user and also the room. The user and room have the same process for edit and save the data.
An entity relationship diagram, ER diagram, pictorially explain the connection between the entities that will be kept in a database. The ER diagram is essentially a database structural design. It serves as a framework built with specialized symbols to define the connection between database entities, attribute, and relationship make up the three main part of an ER diagram. Open source system ER diagram has three entities, which is staff, reservation, and room. Under staff have seven attributes, which is staff ID, name, address, department, phone, data, phone, date, and time. For reservation have six attributes, which is reserve name, address, date, ID, and time. Under room, there is six attributes, which is room ID, name, location, date booking, time, and reserve.
This is the end of my slide. I will pass to Mr. Fadhlullah.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Amirul. Okay. Wait. I will present now. Please, screen. Okay. Hello, I'm FADHLULLAH BADRI. I'm responsible for the meeting room reservation system. Okay, first of all, there is step for the creation, the account. First, we can click first for testing at Chrome. I see. Let's put it. Let's go 014. address follow for city mail contact 012 email. Oh, I got this one. Copy, paste, testing. Expert. S123. S123. Agree. Okay, first. First. At gmail.com. Test 123. Okay, I will explain how the system works. First, we got home, book meeting, and booking history. First, how to booking the meeting room. First, you can select which the department you, and then what the meeting you have. For example, this one is a segregation of meeting. This one, you can pick the hour, how many hour for the meeting, and then end date, when and where. For example, 19. Then how many user or participant that will come the meeting. Extension number for the office. For example, this what the equipment you will use at the meeting room. For example, this one is use computer, projector. Next. So we can choose the time when we will start. For example, 10 a.m. Book now. Okay. This data you book will come to the booking history. You can see here the data go inside the database. So for example, another. This one we take 2 hours at 19 July and at 10 a.m. We can book another. For example, technical. We take the project management, town hall, and we take 2 hours also. If we take 15, okay, maximum number 13, extension, projector. Okay, we can choose 10 to 11 cannot choose because the last 3 we already pick that time. So we can take 2 evening. So we go to the database booking history. So either you can cancel or just leave it. And you can print also the result. This is for system. Here also you can change password, either current password and then new password, and then so got log out. Okay, we go to the admin. Open so 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is admin dashboard PHP. Here we got dashboard, department, client, and book record. For example, this is dashboard for admin. This is client. You can see how many client here. You can also delete the client or something. Got time and department. We got department sales, technical, data and development, project management, organization, and others. And also clients. This one. Okay, and then the book record. We just record just now. Testing, sale. This data go inside the admin. Either admin can also cancel the meeting or just leave it. So they also can also change password. I can log out. That's all for me. Next, Mr. Firdaus. Firdaus.
Assalamualaikum. So I'm Ahmad Firdaus. So I will show you the system view. This is the welcome page, login page, sign up page, meeting room reservation dashboard, list of user for admin, register for booking page, booking list page for admin, and next is the system coding. There's a Bootstrap, a free front-end framework called Bootstrap, make web development quicker and simpler. And then JavaScript, a lightweight programming language that web developers commonly use to create more dynamic interaction when developing web page applications, server or even games. And then PHP, server-side scripting language that is used to develop static website or dynamic website or web application. This is the welcome page, and this is login page complete coding. So for full coding, can refer proposal report. Bootstrap, JavaScript, login page, complete coding for dashboard page, PHP, JavaScript. So conclusion, most meeting room websites have taken the lead in bringing internet technologies to the company to simplify the challenging traditional booking procedure. The traditional property booking process can be made simpler by introducing an e-booking system with a variety of helpful features. The meeting room booking system, in a nutshell, is a system that enables clients to reserve a meeting room online. Booking a meeting room will be simpler and more straightforward with the help of this online system. This system runs continuously. Operating hours are subject to the company's working hours. Users are no longer required to make walk-in reservation on the property. That's all. Thank you.